And now it's open. How many pieces does it have? Oh, man. I don't know how many pieces it has. It has lots of pieces. It has.
Gosh, how many bags?
Lots of bags. Hey, what's in here? Is that a box? How did the box get in here?
In there. More stuff.
More Legos.
Amazing. Let's open that box.
Because it needs more Legos.